Hey guys, welcome to Nerdcast where we nerd out about various topic. Today we are going to do the recap of E3 2021. So हम शुरू करते हैं. Let us start with
Day one.
day one.
Yeah, let us start with day one. So the first big
वो तो
thing
समर
for E3 was Ubisoft Forward.
यूबी सबसे पहले डे वन पे तो वो आया था ना समर का जो था गेमिंग समर ऑफ गेमिंग करके.
Yeah, like that was like a sneak peek wala
या
thing.
या
That was not really, but जो
या
main event start
मेन
होते
इवेंट
like
तो वो पहला
actually
यूबीसॉफ्ट
E3
फॉरवर्ड
के.
था. या
Yeah, so basically Ubisoft did is Rainbow Six Extraction,
या मतलब
which
से
is
चालू.
a combination of GTA 4
हम्म.
and including with like a Rainbow Six Operators and Left 4 Dead. तो उसका ही combination है.
या
So
लाइक
there
कोई
is
अपनी
nothing
तरफ
new
से
about it.
क्रिएटिविटी करी ही नहीं उधर. लाइक वो.
Yeah, exactly.
या and the other
Then
main game was Avatar का like
see,
but
believe me, I've been playing Ubisoft games for like 3-4 years now. जो ट्रेलर में दिखता है वैसा
हाँ
गेम
तो वो
you don't
दैट्स द थिंग कि
actually
वो
get
गेम
it.
प्ले ट्रेलर था ही नहीं. इट वाज जस्ट
Yeah,
सीनरी.
exactly.
या
Yeah, it
देखने में
was
तो
just
अच्छा लग रहा था
scenery.
बट लाइक आई कांट लाइक ट्रस्ट कि ये भी तो अच्छा मतलब एक्चुअल एक्चुअल अच्छा मतलब बेटर लुकिंग गेम
Like
बनाया.
they can make it, but we don't know what that engine is made up of,
या
because next gen for everyone, I mean for big companies, everyone like Xbox it's different next gen, for PS it's different next gen. From these guys like Far Cry 6 का भी उन्होंने दिखाया, but मुझे इतना impressive नहीं लग रहा Far Cry 6
फार
as
क्राई 6
compared
का
to
तो
Far
इट वाज
Cry
जस्ट
5.
सो फनी कि फार क्राई 6 का बेटर लाइक ट्रेलर वाज शोन ड्यूरिंग द माइक्रोसॉफ्ट कॉन्फ्रेंस रादर देन द यूबीसॉफ्ट वन.
Yeah, exactly.
एंड
And
इट
वो
वाज मोस्टली
actually में
डीएलसी था यार और उसमें वो पुराने फार क्राई के कैरेक्टर्स ले दैट द एंटायर थिंग आउट ऑफ व्हाट दे मेड लाइक
yeah,
नथिंग न्यू आउट ऑफ इट. या
like we can expect something from like Far Cry 6 story maybe, but
या
the gameplay is looking kind of you know spooky.
हम्म.
You can say
And
like
like the
itna
thing is कि
impressive.
Ubisoft का it's like it's a really bad time that's going around. Like last year, like it came out like 20% of the employees don't feel safe in the company.
Yeah,
And वहां से निकलते निकलते you see so many people leaving the company like due to harassment or everything that's going on in the company.
yeah,
It's like वो creative हो नहीं रहे. So like it's the time for CEO to step down in my opinion. Like you need a new leadership. You need to start right from the
it's
like
not about
basic.
creativity. What they're thinking कि microtransaction से वो पैसे कमा सकते हैं, like
Mhm.
paid content, like pay to win basically.
Yeah.
What I'm saying is like DLCs be like they're gonna support Assassin's Creed Valhalla for 1 more year, so
Mm-hmm.
they are planning on multiple expansions.
Yeah.
But the writer of the Valhalla I mean Darby McDavid, he's the
Mm-hmm.
narrative director for Valhalla. He already left Ubisoft.
Mm-hmm.
So like, what is the future of this game?
Yeah. So वो बस
And
उतने then they will just add up their DLCs and try to just जितना मतलब they are
every,
trying to be the new EA. That's it.
they are trying to milk their game. That's it. Let's go to day two now, because we know how bad Ubisoft can be and how good they can be.
Yeah.
So day two was like the most exciting day for me actually.
Yeah.
Like the first trailer that pops up of Stalker 2.
Yeah.
Those who haven't seen it, it will be shown to you when we are talking, like
Yeah.
below up whatever.
Mm-hmm.
But Stalker 2 में जो दिखाया है, like उसका graphics actually next gen है.
Mm-hmm.
Gameplay might not be like impressive enough, like gun recoil and all that, but it
Yeah.
looks very good.
Mm-hmm. और मेरे लिए सबसे एक्साइटिंग इवेंट वाज फोर्जा का ट्रेलर
Yeah.
because I have been playing Forza Horizon 4 for a long while and Forza Motorsport 7 उससे पहले and like Forza so it's not like a graphic में it's not a leap because Forza Horizon 4 already had really good graphics.
Yeah,
The whole like
exactly.
the thing is they what you call it they made a much bigger open area
Yeah,
with like moving to Mexico and the variety of area like first it was in Britain and Britain was quite limited when it comes to like terrain and everything. This has much more like area to explore and everything, so it's much more fun.
like a much bigger open world, you're saying,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, and then add to that, then you have like finally. So I'm more happy with the new roster of cars because finally it may because the trailer may you saw the Porsche Taycan. So finally you have electric cars. Finally, like I was waiting because there were no electric cars in the Forza Horizon 4.
Forza
It
4.
wasn't
Yeah.
like so modern game. Okay, modern कार नहीं आ रही है, तो it finally, that is also a part of it. So I'm really excited about that.
When I saw the trailer, I was really excited, but I haven't played Forza 4 yet. I'm gonna
Hmm.
play it before I play Forza Horizon 5.
Yeah,
So maybe this summer sale or maybe in December, I'll try
yeah,
to purchase it
yeah.
and go through it.
Yeah. Also, another point that I remembered, the Flight Simulator का नया expansion pack will be coming out,
Yep.
and they will finally have fighter jets. Like they don't have it till now, so
Yeah.
it will be like, because the only good simulation that is there for fighter jets is DCS World, and it's free of cost to start out. Like the game is completely free, but then you get one regular aircraft that is free of cost. After that, you
Yeah.
have to buy each and every single
Bye.
aircraft are like $60 to $70 per aircraft. So it turns out to be a
Okay.
really expensive hobby. So finally, those aircraft coming to MSFS, it's like a good positive spin on things. So
Is
maybe,
it a free to play thing, like free expansion?
yeah, it will
The
be
one
free
you said?
expansion. Yeah, yeah, it will be free
Okay.
expansion.
So same with Sea of Thieves.
Yeah.
As they showed, like Jack Sparrow is coming to Sea of Thieves. So it is a free expansion. It will be a quest that will reward you, something like that.
Hmm.
So, and
Actually,
that's actually good.
free expansion से याद है, like MSFS has been doing like free expansion for a long while. Like every 2 months, it is releasing a new area with new scenery. So like पहले they started with US के और aircraft areas add करे, then they started with Britain, then did the France and Spain, and अभी they release a new update which I have not yet installed yet, and उसमें then the whole Nordic area, Sweden, Denmark, and Finland,
Uh,
they updated
Finland.
that with new like
Yeah.
architectures and everything. So each and every area they are slowly focusing on. They did a whole Japan update. So pura Japan they that renewed it all with latest sceneries and everything. So they are continuing to
Ye-
like free of cost. Me like it's not just the game that you got like for the price that you paid. You are continuously
Yeah.
getting newer and newer updates, and that's a pretty good way
Yeah.
to go around it.
Yeah. Like in this pay to win meta, I mean, some developers are doing, I mean, giving free expansion, and that's a good thing,
That's
I
a good thing.
guess,
Yeah. If your team, maybe it was
because
like the
nobody,
pirate part was really really cool.
yeah,
Yeah.
like nobody knows what Sea of Thieves is, but people might check it out after they see like Jack Sparrow in it,
Yeah.
because people have been fans of the franchise
Franchise. Yeah.
Pirates of the Caribbean.
Hmm. And then
And one more, the most important thing, that Halo Infinite, they showed a trailer
yeah.
where
Finally,
Cortana
Halo doesn't look
disappears.
like it's an Xbox 360 game.
Yeah,
Like it
yeah,
looks much
exactly.
modern and everything. Yeah. Because जो
And
अभी जो
the
Halo
best,
निकाले थे, the renewed Halo, that look, it still look very old. Like वो पता चल रहा है, like the textures and everything are still not like
yeah.
to that level. So that's a really good upgrade.
And the most important thing is multiplayer of Halo Infinite is going to be free,
Will
and
be
the
free.
campaign is going to be paid, and that's a
Yeah.
good thing for, like, because the previous version of Halo, all the multiplayers are dying day by day, and Microsoft has to kill it because there are no users or players to play
Hmm.
those
Yeah.
games.
Yeah. Halo
So
Infinite is
basically,
like following the same strategy as Call of Duty or something, like they have a separate
yeah,
free to play.
not
What you
really.
call
Call
that?
of Duty has a free BR, not multiplayer. Multiplayer is paid
Yeah,
in Call
but
of
still,
Duty.
battle royale is still kind of multiplayer. That's what I'm saying. That it's kind of
Yeah,
following the
okay,
same strategy. That's what
yeah,
I'm.
kind of.
Yeah, and it's a way to get more people. Like लोगों ने like multiplayer खेलेंगे, and they'll be like, okay, that's cool. Let me just get the game pass and play the game also. So
Yeah,
that more people get the game pass also. Like because their entire strategy revolves around more and more people getting game pass, not about
yeah,
Xbox console sales or something like that.
yeah.
They don't depend on that.
Yeah, and the very big game we are talking about is Battlefield 6. So
Yeah,
they released a trailer and they showed the gameplay.
yeah, that
And to
was
be honest, the game looks very good
yeah,
as compared to Warzone or anything like that. But the price of the game is like 3,500 or 600
yeah.
just for
Sources are
multiplayer and story. So they are going to release a battle royale for free next year, I guess. They're planning on it, but I'm not sure.
but the graphics look like okay because Battlefield 5 didn't like make me want to get the game. Like
Yeah,
इतना कुछ खास लगा नहीं था मुझे. So I
Game
have it in my EA Play के like it's still there, but I haven't even
Game
installed it
Pass.
because money नहीं करा. Yeah,
Yeah.
I have both Battlefield 1 and 5 in that like catalog to download, but
Mm-hmm.
didn't even feel like going
See,
for it.
Xbox ka event was actually very good.
Yeah,
Like it kind of it didn't meet people's expectations, some people's expectations, but it certainly met my expectations
It
because
did. It
my
did.
expectations was very low due to this COVID and all that. I
I,
thought कि
I
कौन सा भी नया
also
game नहीं आएगा.
I was not expecting a new Forza Horizon game also. Like I
Yeah,
thought
me
maybe
neither.
a few more years before they change
When
it.
they showed the trailer, I was like, okay, this is going to be an expansion for Forza Horizon 4, I think. Like they are introducing new car and stuff, but they showed Forza Horizon 4, and I was like, okay,
Yeah.
like something is really going on.
It's a whole new area.
And
But another point is like because हम लोग ने like GTA 5 के कारण mind खत्म हो जाता है कि oh they might release a new game because GTA 5 ने इतना dude, Xbox 360 पे GTA 5 आया था, Xbox One पे GTA 5 आया है and PS5 में GTA 5 आया है.
see,
10
what
years
I would
now.
like to what I'd like to say is कि जो लोग expect करते हैं कि इतने जल्दी games आए, like Rockstar has supported the game for 10 years.
Yeah.
Imagine the next GTA comes, like you won't get it for another 10 years. This might happen.
Hmm.
Look at Red Dead Redemption, like they just develop it and they're continuing to support the game.
Yeah.
These big companies are like Rockstar has like a reputation of some or something in the country that like they are on the top of the like
Hmm.
industry,
Yeah. Yeah.
because GTA, it's not an exclusive thing. GTA,
Hmm.
everyone gets it. They make more money more than anyone actually
Yeah.
in the industry. Imagine next E3 GTA 6 trailer pops up
And
and it
then
will be releasing in like another year.
mhm.
So people are gonna just they're gonna close their eyes and buy the GTA
Buy the game.
6.
Yeah.
That's
GTA 5
how
के
it
success
works.
पे like yeah.
Yeah.
हम next day आ जाते हैं.
Yep.
Next day then the only two games that in my mind like Square Enix ने Guardians of the Galaxy का जो game
Yep.
निकाला.
See, to be honest, I have a complaint with that game. Okay, like
Okay.
you can make that game co-op. Okay, like you
Yeah.
have a option to make a 4 person or 5 person co-op,
Mm.
but you're giving like a one guy just ability to control the other characters. I mean, that's not very innovative, I must say,
Yeah.
but
Mm.
that can be okayish.
Mm.
Like the trailer and gameplay look okay.
Mm-hmm.
It kind of looked like Avengers,
Yeah.
what they
It
messed up a
definitely
lot.
gave like
Like,
Avengers के like vibes. Yeah.
yeah, like the same engine, it is made on the same engine and all that. But when you're considering the big multiplayer, people like playing with each other, some people have friends, some people don't have, but you just should have given the option to play
Given the
co-op.
option. Yeah.
like
And I've seen a
like
good growth of co-op game during this pandemic.
yeah, exactly. See, let's say I'm playing Star Lord. Like you want to play Drax, someone else want to play Rocket, someone else
Yeah.
want to play Gamora, someone else want to play Groot. So
Yeah.
5 man lobby. Just they have to figure out how to play this like a remote control thing, like remote host server thing,
Remote host server
not
thing.
remote
Yeah.
control thing.
Mm.
So that would have been a very good thing.
Yeah. And I think the final thing that comes with the Nintendo ka event, Breath of the Wild too.
Yeah, I haven't checked that out. I have to check it
Yeah.
out.
So it's like
Uh,
it basically just it follows on the same like trajectory. The thing is, I cannot play Breath of the Wild one also. So it's like जब switch है
yeah,
नहीं तो क्या
exactly.
करे? So I can just enjoy
Nintendo ही नहीं है ना.
that's it. Yeah.
Yeah,
Switch के
exactly.
अच्छे emulators भी नहीं है market पे तो that you can try them.
Yeah,
And Nintendo Switch is pretty much very expensive in India to be honest, like
yeah.
compared to the pricing.
Like PlayStation और Xbox से भी महंगा है वो,
Yeah,
right?
exactly. So it's pretty no, not like it's more expensive than PS4 or Xbox One, but
Yeah,
not as
like
expensive as
previous gen, like okay.
yeah. So
नहीं,
it's like
as
around
compared to
20, 25, 28,000 ka padta.
okay,
And it's
okay,
not there's no what you call warranty or anything. It's imported and sold in India.
okay.
So yeah, you
Like
don't.
I have no idea about Nintendo because I just know like Ubisoft has been developing a game Mario
Yeah, the new Mario. Yeah, Mario
for
and the
like a Nintendo. That is only Nintendo exclusive. Yeah, I saw
is
that
it
on E3.
Nintendo? Okay, okay.
Yeah, it's
Yeah, it has
like
to
a
be like
Nintendo
Mario is a
exclusive.
Nintendo copyright thing, so it cannot.
Yeah, so Nintendo exclusive. And I think one more game we are forgetting about is Starfield. So
Okay.
Bethesda is like making a new RPG, Starfield,
Yeah.
just for Xbox and PC.
PC.
So I think the CEO just apologized for like being exclusive. Like you don't have to apologize. PlayStation is doing that for like 10 years, 20 years, I
Yeah.
guess.
Starting से ही कर रहा है वो.
So Microsoft has paid you, so there's nothing to apologize, to be
Yeah.
honest. And it was very small teaser. I was expecting a bit more out of them, but it was like okay,
Yeah.
it's just a sneak peek.
Hmm.
Maybe next E3,
Yeah, but like
or maybe
based on like the podcast that we had about the whole acquisition of Bethesda, like there's a
yeah,
lot of opportunities like right lying right there, and I can't like
yeah,
I'm expecting a lot more to come in the while.
yeah.
Yeah.
See, I think they're figuring out like what is the approach to like go through. The first they're like giving like a new game franchise like
Yeah.
from the game developer.
Hmm.
So if they'll check like how they're performing on the new RPG, so they can implement another new concept,
Yeah.
or maybe they can do like Doom Eternals, Fallout,
Yeah.
Elder Scrolls 6. You never know,
Hmm.
anything can happen because Microsoft can do whatever they want now,
Yeah.
and they
And
have the budget to do it.
yeah, another thing I would be expecting in a few years is the new like Forza Motorsports actually, because like Gran Turismo is like the what you call pinnacle of what you can like expect from like racing simulation kind of a thing,
Okay.
and there's this cars project cars is there which is also decent, but nothing
Yeah,
has been
decent.
that level right now because Forza Motorsport 7 came out in 2016 or something, so it's way
Hmm.
too old now, and the new Gran Turismo look really beautiful. Like I don't want to buy a new PlayStation just to play that game. So I'll just expect
Yeah,
the
exactly.
Microsoft to release their equivalent, for the Motorsport 8 or something to compete
Yeah,
with that. Yeah, I think that's it for the E3 event.
yeah, I think so.
Yeah,
Because the last day was not like nobody has watched the last day because all of them were just like talking to the developers like what is going on
yeah,
with your game, what is the state of the game, and all that. There's nothing more.
yeah. Like it wasn't like that happening of an event like as a whole E3, but it's like
Yeah,
still much better than what you would have expected right out of a pandemic. Right?
yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Like people have very high expectations for from the event. Like it's not gonna be the same because every developer is working from the home.
Yeah.
They
Like
have restrictions and all that. So development, the growth of the development is kind of a like a
एंड लाइक साइबरपंक को देखने के बाद अब इतना एक्सपेक्ट मत ही करो लाइक पीपल गिव देम टाइम टू लाइक टेक एंड मेक द गेम लाइक
exactly.
जल्दी में
See,
निकालोगे इट विल ऑलवेज बी फॉल्टी
See, I really think that this is going to happen. Same like GTA के साथ ऐसा ही होने वाला है. Like people are gonna be like कि कब आएगा कब आएगा. See, there are going to be problems while making games because making games is not easy task. Like मुझे एक मोबाइल का गेम बनाने में मुझे कभी एक महीना लग गया था कि ये करो वो करो एंड ऑल दैट. एक एनिमेशन बनाने को कभी कभी 2 महीने लग जाते हैं एंड ऑल दैट बिकॉज अभी मुझे नॉलेज नहीं है, उनको नॉलेज है, दे हैव द टीम लाइक उनका 20 का टीम रहेगा, उनको भी वो चीज़ें सीखनी पड़ती है एंड दे हैव टू गो थ्रू दैट. So like keep your expectations very low while you're going in a game or playing in a game or like going to an event. Just keep it very low so that might meet your expectations in the future.
एग्जैक्टली सो आई गेस दैट्स इट खत्म करो
Yeah, खत्म कर.
so this was our discussion on the E3 event. If you have any other game or something that you want to discuss about, please let me know in the comment below. Thank you for tuning in. See you in the next episode.